Yes, I'm Roman, and today we are in the United States again, New York to be precise, and we'll be eating at Chipotle. It's a Mexican grill, Mexican restaurant, and I think it will be great, so let's go. I will. Oh God. Yes, it is. It was some spice. Some sweet, maybe. I was slightly disappointed with the Chipotle meal because, first of all, I said to myself, the fact that she put so many things in it, she could have given me another wrap to make it hold, so I didn't like that. Plus, it just lacked flavor. It filled me up, but it lacked flavor, and then at one point in time, it got real messy, so I was using a fork, which defeats the purpose of a burrito. Anyways, would I go there again? No. Would I try another franchise to see if it tastes good? Maybe. But yeah, I wouldn't really recommend that specific store at that specific time. But that's it anyways. Ciao.